broken ass phone's right here, so no, I'm not ripping the phone. Can we just
Well, hello then, welcome. How's this for a background for y'all? Y'all like it? Trees, me, see how little I am? Oh my glass. Well, you guys, welcome to our first official Wine With Me Wednesday. And you see this cute little glass I got here? It says Tracy Lifestyle. Tracy Creations by Sammy. And for today, our choice of wine, yellow. Some of y'all are like, that's not even wine. Shut up, I like it. Plus, last time I tried to open one of these, I thought it had an actual cork. It didn't, and I broke the thing. But this time, you see that? It can be when you're out in the wilderness. Let's get started. Pour the wine into the glass. Oh yeah. Good. And cheers. So anyways, that video I did last night for you guys about Talk Shit Tuesdays, right? How I say men need to be trained. If y'all men got offended and you're like, it's the boys, not the men. Like, obviously you start somewhere, right? You become a man from a boy. So shut the fuck, it's all you. All you need some help. And the ones that are like, oh, I don't do that, good. That means you've been well trained. But anyways, that's a past topic. We move on. What is it? Do this.
I'll be the light to guide you.
And then when you ask for help, they don't help you. See, when you're struggling, you always make sure to ask the most help then. Because then you know who exactly to cut off.
3, I'll be there.
And who to keep.
You can count on me.
So, we're back with some more wine. How about this for a background? You like? Some of you guys know where I'm at, but some of you don't. Enjoy the scenery. Life is all about taking some time off to just breathe. Because otherwise, you're going to be overworking yourself all the damn time. You never have any chance to breathe. That's not good. Take the time, listen to the birds. If you haven't heard the birds chirp before, it might be a problem. There's just too much sun. Can't see. Just so y'all can be happy. Might as well finish the rest of the wine. Here we go. I don't think I'll do nail tutorials because that's how I make my money. So, say this on camera. If you can believe, you can achieve. Bro, you put your mind to it and you believe it, put your all your good energy into something you actually want. Cheers to that. Happy Wine With Me Wednesday, you guys. Is the first one, so it's not that like, you know, whatever. But next ones, I'll probably have guests. Originally, this was supposed to be called Wise Words with Tracy, actually. But then I was like, maybe that's too long of a title. Wine With Me Wednesday. The background. Cheers. Here are cards. Okay, bye you guys.